Something that's always puzzled me is how the Social Blade ranking system works. I have a grade of a B, although I don't know how to acquire it or what the requirements are. But let's talk about this. This is a fact. T-Series has an A++. You'd think the #1 channel on YouTube should be really high in the ranking. And that's true. It's second place. But what channel possibly could be beating T-Series? What channel could be in first place? It's not Cocomelon. It's not Dude Perfect. Or 5 Minute Crafts. In fact, it's something really weird. So if I go to top lists and I hit top 50 YouTubers, the #1 channel, has 62 subscribers. Parlophone Records. If you click on this channel, it's the #1 Social Blade rank. And it has 62 subscribers and has 2.25 billion views in the last 30 days, which is insane. So why? Why does such a small channel that was created less than 3 months ago, okay, less than a lot of months ago, but this year, have such a high rank on Social Blade? And I'm pretty sure the country AF is Afghanistan, but AF country, yes, it's Afghanistan. So this Afghanistan channel, Parlophone Records. Well, if we scroll down, you can see that on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, Parlophone Records got 1 billion views. 1,659,000,000 views. That is insane. That is absolutely insane. And they made $6.6 million. Now compare that to T-Series, which is the #1 channel on YouTube. T-Series is getting millions of views a day, which is insane as well. But consider this. A channel with only 62 subscribers somehow got 1.6 billion, so 16 times however many views T-Series has in one day. In one day. And it gets stranger. Is this a glitch with Social Blade? I have no idea. Let's go to user videos. Okay? We're just going to click on user videos. What's going to come up? What video could Parlophone Records possibly have? And you can see, this is their video. These are their videos. This one has an 100% like ratio. Where's their video with all the views? Well, we don't know. We can't really find one that... This one has 47.3 million. So we're just going to click this one, because it has a lot of views. Clearly. Let's click it. And go to this YouTube channel to see who Parlophone Records really is. And it's unavailable. It's unavailable. And if we click on the channel, it doesn't have any content. You can't look at any of the videos unless you go through Social Blade. In which case, every single video has been taken down. There's no icon, no nothing, no public sub count. We only know that this channel managed to get 1 billion views, 1.5 billion views in one day. How? I have no idea. I wish I had a better conclusion for you guys. Which is why I posted this on a Saturday, because I don't know when else I would post this. But why? What the heck could Social Blade have done, or this YouTube channel would have done? What just happened that this channel got so many views? If you have any thoughts, or if you know anything, I would love to hear it in the comments section. I just want to bring this up to you guys' attention. What do you all think of this? It's so weird, right? It's so weird. I have no explanation for it. I really have no explanation. Thank you for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Weird, peace out.